Sometimes I feel like I go to the movie theater just for the popcorn.
They stopped using butter. The movie theaters that I go to, they stopped using
What?
butter. They're using like this weird corn oil, and I hate it.
That's not.
Yeah.
I don't think that's better.
It just tastes like. It tastes like when you clean the table. You know, when you clean the table with like solvents, and then you lick the table. It kind of tastes like that.
This is not good.
Hi.
I had to hire lawyers.
Yeah. Rusty is back this week.
Hi.
Diversity
Happy
hire.
Pride Month.
Yeah. Lawyer said that we can't fire somebody for not being gay, and thus Rusty is here.
I feel so welcomed back.
They should fix that.
They should fix me being not gay.
I feel like that's a loophole that you're abusing.
Okay, here. So let's not abuse the loophole. I'll go activate party core there.
There you go. Look at that. See?
Happy Pride.
Wasn't so hard.
I'm still
In honor
straight.
of Pride,
This is
we
just
are
RGB.
here in the animal enclosure.
Yeah, how did that happen? I forgot.
Oh, yeah, you're
I was
supposed to
gonna
be
do the
not
bit where
in
I'm
an animal
outside, but then
enclosure,
I'm
yeah.
like, the framing
There you
sucks
go.
for this.
Right? No, it's still, no, that's fine. This is the worst.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to the zoo.
Here we can observe the chroma and the decoy in their natural habitat. The chroma feeds popcorn to his friends to try and get them to like him, and it works.
I'm a bird. My name's Decoy. Hey.
Do you see the gay tie? That means that Decoy has Happy Pride in his heart. And
So
do you see
joyous
the
and
gay,
full of pride.
the visible gay on the chroma?
I can-
That means chroma has Happy Pride in his
I
heart.
can feel it.
Yeah.
It's happening.
Yes. And do you see the RGB? That means I have Happy Pride in my power core.
I actually got a buff today.
yeah?
Since Pride Month starts, we get to walk twice as fast.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
I don't get buffs during any specific month. It's sort of just a like default, baseline.
Yeah, but it's only once a month. Like, only 1 month out of the year.
One month out of the yeah.
So now is the time to run a marathon.
I
That's
think
what I'm hearing.
I am excited to see you do that. Are you going to stream that too?
Running a marathon?
Yeah.
You know what? I'll stream it. Screw it. Let's go.
This coming Wednesday, yeah.
All right, marathon stream. Let's go.
Decoy's going to sprint in real life 600 miles.
600 miles. Well, I mean...
And I would sprint 600 miles.
Whoa.
Anyways, hi. This is the marketing stream, by the way. We're in the zoo right
Is
now.
that what this is?
I forgot.
Yeah.
Hi, welcome. This
Yeah.
is Resonite.
Hi.
My name is Rusty Bot. This is Chroma.
Hi.
This is Decoy. Bird on the internet. Dog on the VR. And
Yeah.
we are going to answer questions and mostly goof off.
Dog, technically everywhere these days. It doesn't end.
You
see
became
you
a dog
during-
in real?
Pretty much.
That's crazy.
Okay, so here, you could be watching WWDC, and you could hear the word AI 1,000 times, or you could be watching us and having fun. I think the
Put it
answer is
on in the
pretty obvious.
background. Are we gonna get like flagged if we have it running in the background?
It's for Apple. Apple announces all their new iPhone features, and this
Oh,
year,
wow. How exciting.
AI, and there's AI, and then there's also AI.
Boy, can't wait to see what comes out of that.
Oh, but they added Siri with AI.
But
Siri was
Okay.
already AI.
No, this one's different.
we
this one's different.
AI.
This
I know
one's-
it's
this one's
different AI,
actually
but like, I think I don't care. Let's do Discord questions about Resonite.
what? Oh, that's what we're
Ask
here
us
to-
questions, by
Yeah.
the way. Put question marks in your thing, and then we can answer them.
Yeah, or don't, and then we won't. Here's a Discord
Oh.
question that I need to duplicate so I can read it. How do we feel about the Resonite branded dog bowl being the second most purchased merchandise item, Chroma?
Oh, everything's gone to plan there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like that was very
was-
targeted.
It was extremely targeted, and it worked out, and I'm very happy about it.
Good
So
job.
you know what? Good for you guys.
That's what good marketing is right there.
I don't know, but well, effective marketing.
I have to get one for myself too, still, just because it's a good bowl. If you haven't got it yet, it is honestly just a good stainless steel bowl.
I have good bowls
Yes.
that have no connotations to them. I have
It's just
good
a
orange
bowl.
bowls that I
It's
like.
just a bowl. What?
don't imply anything
Drinking
about me as a
water?
person.
It's just a food grade bowl.
It's just I'm just drinking water. Boy.
There's a lot of words. What are you
This is a lot of words.
doing?
Asking more
It's
out of
too
curiosity,
much.
but has there ever been talk about giving Resonite a mascot character? You know I'm always up glooping. It's silly style.
How many
But-
more do we need?
Well, this is the thing. My answer to this question is like that's us. That's the us three and the team. It's sort of the bit. I don't feel like we need a mascot character because that feels like making an artificial face for the company. And kind of the bit is that that's supposed to be our job.
Yeah.
And I'd be like, hi, it's Resonite. We're the team. We're us three and the rest of the team.
We do have Butt Frog though.
There is Butt Frog. And there's
We
Wheel,
have
who nobody
Butt
cares
Frog.
about. But like,
Oh yeah,
I mean,
we
I
did
care
try
about
that.
Wheel.
Hold on, I don't know why I'm not speaking up about this.
I was gonna.
I actively
give it to
tried
you
this.
next after, yeah.
Made
Wasn't
them.
working out
You
too well.
made them,
I made
Chroma.
like several.
But
I'm
we
sorry,
got
it's
it,
a
like
bit
they
of a
didn't get
blur.
turned into avatars and they didn't get put into like
The Butt Frog
graphic
exists.
odds and
It's
stuff.
just
But yeah,
I don't know.
it doesn't feel like
it
a
wasn't-
direction that makes sense.
It wasn't really working out.
Yeah, which like they were good. Like you did good making them. It's just Resonite feels better as a like, hi, we're the people who are doing Resonite, and
Yeah.
we just it's
It just makes more sense. Like we're already in the videos, we're already doing the things. We might as well like
we're already wacky characters visually,
but
which
we're
is a
becoming
big part of it.
plushes somehow, somewhere.
pretty
I don't
normal.
know why. But I mean like, yeah.
Because think about
Let's change the tone on that a little bit.
Let's. Hold on, I want to finish reading the question and then finish answering it. Would it be more of an internal process of a character being designed behind closed doors, outreaching to the community via a contest, or just waiting to see in the community forums a character on its own, and then promoting it to something more official? Well, it was so funny. That last one is like basically what Decoy and I did, is the community promoting a character, us, and then we get a job here. And like, so that's that process. The way I see it, a company makes a mascot to have a personable, fun character to interface with its consumers, right? For Resonite, we want to do that directly. One of the big things a mascot does for a company is make it so that it's not just a business person talking at you, and we're not that already. I hope so. Problem solved, right? I don't think we need an artificial mascot.
Yeah. I think people see my stuff and then they're like, oh, it's the Resonite bird. And I mean that if that's not like mascot territory already, like
Exactly. Yeah.
good question though.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we
Maybe
need to do a
further-
3D stream.
Question 3D stream.
Do it.
What?
We're in 3D.
Well, like one where
Put on
people have
your
to get
3D
like 3D
glasses
glasses
now.
and like throw popcorn and do bits.
Yeah.
We're gonna give you the Spy Kids 3D experience.
Yeah.
Huh? Put on your 3D glasses now.
Good questions.
Sorry,
Stop!
multiply. I poked you in the eye. That's
I'm
my
sorry.
bad.
I'm gonna yell right now.
Okay.
Stop it. Stop asking these questions. You ask these questions I see these questions. I see you ask these questions every single time on every of our streams, and I want you to stop. I want you to stop asking these questions. Don't be like, it's a different question because I put a different word in there. Stop it. Stop it. I need you to stop. I don't want to read these anymore.
think Decoy's gonna
Thank you
kill
for the
you.
question. I'm not gonna kill you, but I
Oh,
put worms
do you
in
want
your
me
walls.
to?
Oh,
Okay. Let's see here. I'm gonna skip that one from the.
wait. What does that want to say?
No,
That one
please.
says Rusty Bot not
Not
yesified.
yesified. That's
I am currently
curious.
RGB.
How could we do it?
This is as gay as I get. All right.
So anyone got like lipstick or something to like draw on the screen? Wait,
Yeah, you can do
You put a
that.
pair of lips. Thank you.
Hold on.
Is everyone watching with their? Who's watching with their speakers and
Wow.
has their iPhone next to them or something like that? Hey
You're really
Siri,
going
show
all
me a
out with
pair of
this.
lips.
Well, I gotta put some effort, elbow grease in if I wanna.
Wow.
Oh no, that hit my Siri.
Oh my gosh.
That's beautiful. I mean,
Welcome to Resonite. Oh, sorry.
That's
I
frustrating
gotta
right there.
hold my eyes in the right spot.
no, that's good. That we're using
Wait,
that.
you got me
we
while
gotta-
I was blue.
If someone can get some good screenshots of that, we'll make it into a new sticker for Discord.
I don't know about that one.
Here was a random question that didn't get a question mark, but I did catch it and I do want to answer it. My only question is, why does my avatar head disappear when I grab the avatar and move it around? All that stays are my ears and eyes. That sounds like a weird render transform override thing that you might have put on your
Yeah.
avatar,
Yeah.
possibly. Or if you had someone set it up for you, what they did was put a render transform override on your avatar, which hides certain parts of your avatar when you grab them. And that's made so that you don't see the inside of your brain while you're inside an avatar. But it can be set up in funky ways that cause that kind of funky things. So I would say ask the person who helped you make it, or see if there's a render transform override on your head.
And also, if it's when you grab it, that means it's overriding for your user view. So, like, you're the only one who sees that, and if you're wearing it, it's fine and it doesn't matter, and that's actually the intention. So, you should be good.
I love how that's nothing to do with marketing. No one reads this
Nope.
title.
Give
They're
us
just like,
marketing
Resonite
questions
question.
also.
Resonite
That's
questions.
a, like, you know, we're happy to help, but
It's because it's Rusty and I
I
don't
got
think-
you.
Do you do
I got
tutorials?
you.
I don't know. Well, you do it once in a while.
You.
You see Rusty and be like, how do you do this?
guy, that's what I'm here for. Boop. Are we allowed to say which promo code is doing the best?
Isn't it still Nexus promo code?
I think it's still next, but Ink
yeah.
Overflow seemingly did really well.
I can check the stats right now.
Check
yeah.
the stats. Gork, check
Checking the
my
stats.
stats.
I'm checking the stats. Don't ever call me Gork again. I'm gonna check the stats.
My bad. I mixed you up with the bad robot. My bad.
Yeah. Ink Overflows is doing really well. Yeah, but still Nexus is the top. Decoy, you
I
and I
want to
are
see if
tied.
it's
The
So we're
Unity
still-
SDK one
okay.
is doing way better than I thought it would. That's cool to see.
what?
Yeah, Unity
First made a Unity
SDK. Yo, that
SDK
guy's
promo
awesome.
code
Shout out to
and
Unity
posted
SDK.
it to, like, I don't know, Blue Sky, and I don't know where else, but
Oh, funny.
yeah.
Oh, these are
So I know
popping off
people
a
are.
little. That's
I know
good.
people are using the Unity SDK. Okay. that's
Marketing
something
26
to-
is not.
Yeah.
And I think because we only use it here.
Marketing 26.
And, like, anyway, if you're watching this, you already have an account. Like, come on, let's be real. We know how
Yeah.
this works.
If you don't, make
same-
one right now.
Yeah, and kind of same for, like, my streams. I need to figure out how to outreach to more people for that. And obviously, okay, we need to figure out how to outreach to more
You
people
gotta
in
paint it
general
on
because that's
your
our job.
forehead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, the promo codes are doing well, and they're really good data for where people are coming from, because it's not where I expected. So that's good to know.
You can like show it. Like that's fine information to show.
Even with but the numbers for support are off right now or something. I thought I saw in a discussion.
just like
You only can't show the secret code.
Yeah, don't show the secret one, which is at the bottom.
Oh, hold on.
Hi, Dappler.
I just like dragged my chat a little in there.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay. I'm gonna get me in my picture of this. It's funny. Why are my fingers being weird? There we go.
Oh, the Steam
It's a
machine
weird
just
looking.
dropped.
It's a weird looking elephant.
Okay. At Chroma's behest, here's the numbers. Wow, look at that. We need more marketing promo code use.
Whoa.
But that comes from this stream. But also, like, it's not like, oh, you bump those numbers. The fun part of this is we can say, oh, hey, wow, so the TikTok streams are doing really well, and like people really wanted the Unity SDK. That got people interested, and the Ink Overflow thing did all right did pretty good for bringing people in, like from Rec Room. Right, and these give us info on where we can put our effort to get more people easier, It's good numbers, good stuff. I'm gonna put
GM
this on a
Delta
graph
doesn't
or
have
something.
a count yet.
You don't have an account yet?
Well,
you can
perfect.
make one
Use-
right now.
Use
Welcome.
promo code marketing 26 when you make a
Or
new account.
any of the others that functionally do the same thing, unless
they do
someone
the
set
same
it up
thing.
wrong.
They do the functionally the functionally the same thing, but since you're watching the marketing stream, use the marketing 26 code so that we know that you came from here, because that's the data we're collecting.
Yes.
To my knowledge, all of these have been set up the same, and
Yes.
if not, someone's in trouble.
Yes. Actually, I made Rusty 26 give you the highest tier for Infinity, just because I wanted,
No,
If you use my
that's not.
code, you get a fish in your inventory.
That's
No.
a lie and
That would be
not a good incentive.
I think it's a funny incentive.
That's a good
And
incentive.
we
I don't
should
know
do
what
that.
you're
Fun
talking
incentive,
about.
actually. Like, if there was a way to set that up, that would be pretty great. Before we
Plushies.
next question, speaking of data collection, I'm gonna just post in chat right now. I made
Oh
a
yeah,
survey.
we have so much data collection now.
Yeah, I want to.
Yeah,
Whoops,
we're
I have
collecting
that
your
not
data. We
copy-pasted.
don't know. Okay, we don't know that it's your data. It is anonymized data. We just get general
Yes.
data from everybody, and that was one of the stipulations that we had when we were setting up. We're like, we want data. However, it has to be anonymized. Otherwise, I don't want
Yeah.
it. Right? We're like,
Yeah,
I don't want to
so-
know names. I don't want to know who's doing what. It's not tied to any account. It's just like base stats of like
Yes.
this many users are doing this certain thing, etc.
Yes. The
hard zebra.
link I just posted, the Rusty Manufacturing guy in chat. That's this guy. That's me. That's a survey to. That's a link to a survey that I wrote for content discoverability for how you want to and currently find items and worlds in Resonite. Because when we get to making the workshop, we want to, have it be good, and that requires community feedback and input. So please go do that survey and help us design the future. And it'll be a bit gay because here, we live in it's Resonate. Like, come on.
Tam Tam said there was enough rainbow, and
Shadow, good question. If you submit usernames, do they not get associated with your other answers? They all show up in the same order. So on the survey, you have the option to give your username as well, and I can tie that to the responses. You don't have to. You don't have to answer even all the questions. Just if you have a couple ideas and you just poke some of the easy button questions, that's still good help. Still appreciated. Yeah,
Answer my survey.
I'm gonna probably have that up for another week, and then I'm gonna go through those, and that's gonna help us. The goal with that for me is collect all the
where'd my
data,
steam machine
compile
go?
it into something useful and readable, and then when engineering gets
Must
around
have been the
to
wind.
having time for workshop development, I'll have a little packet to hand them that's like, hey, here's what people want and what I think is a good idea, and then that'll make their job a lot quicker.
Exactly, Copter User. I'm gonna go around, read my
you like
form,
to sign my petition?
form.
Would you like to
Fill
sign my
out my
petition? Because I
petition.
don't care. You have to. I'm requesting that you do.
Going to every session in here and be like, sign my petition.
Yeah.
Give
yeah,
me your
hand out
data.
that link like candy.
Good question on that though.
Yes.
You're pushing it. Okay, I will answer this once, and thank you for forgetting my name. I really appreciate that. I give get 1,000 of your closest friends to buy plushes, and then we can start selling the plushes.
Yes. To promise to buy plushes. 1,000 of your closest friends to promise to buy plushes. Because
yeah.
you can't buy them if we don't sell them yet.
And mine is
Yeah.
specifically going to be named the Ace Bird. It's,
Yeah. I'll be token non-furry and slash token straight guy. And then I think Chroma will just be Blue Dog. Blue Dog Man, Yellow Dog Man.
That's okay.
Are there other dogs? Am I stupid?
Oh yeah, there's
Who's
always
dogs? I don't know
there's
what kinds
always
of animal
another.
most of the people are because everyone looks like an alien.
There's
That's a little rude, but okay, I'm not going to comment on
You're
that.
gonna tell me you don't look like I can tell you're a bird alien, but you look like an alien.
Wait, you go outside and like, oh, that's a nice looking alien.
If there's an alien,
Walking on
yeah.
4 legs.
No, if it's on 4 legs, it's probably a regular dog. If this guy's on 2 legs and he's got thumbs and stuff and a hunchback and he's wearing gay clothes, so he's an
Think the
alien.
Whoa.
The creator
Whoa
went
there.
outside. Like, today I'm gonna make an alien. He walks on two legs and wears glasses. No, he said I'm gonna make
Yeah.
a dog.
You're a bird.
I'm talking about in general.
But Chrome doesn't have glasses.
Here you go.
Oh,
You do now.
nice work. They're too heavy.
Bye.
Okay, see,
Okay.
that is a
Gosh,
smart
you're
alien.
blind.
There you go. Yeah, I need those actually. I can't see anymore. Jan Delta says, when do you think Resonite will achieve world domination? By attrition. We just have to wait for all the other companies to die out and then we can just
Slow and
take
steady.
over.
Yeah. I don't know. I think we're doing a
pretty
good
good
job.
progress.
We
Pretty
just
good
gotta
progress
basically
right
sit
now.
here and do what we're doing now and let it happen.
Yeah.
Help us by using promo code marketing26
Yeah,
to destroy the world.
and by just like giving money directly to me.
No.
To Rusty specifically.
I have weapons. I can do the world dominating. I can do the pew 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 and then not that I'm threatening anybody explicitly, overtly. However, hypothetically, if some laser blast were to accidentally hit every other company, in theory.
Crumble, where's my steam machine? Oh. I found
there.
it. Thank you.
I'm gonna pull this one out because I'm joking about this a lot, but I want to make sure. I don't know what emote that's supposed to be. I know this is referencing to me, token, and like yes, haha, token straight guy. I'm fully allied, just to be perfectly clear, because I am doing the bit of pretending to be all like whatever about it. Like
I think we got at least one more straight person on the team.
Yeah,
gotta be,
we got one.
right?
Gotta be
Yeah,
somewhere.
yeah.
Somewhere on there. There's at least one.
But in terms of like, at least here right now, I'm doing the bit of the gay whatever. Like
I don't know.
good.
Rusty
This Pride
says a
Month is
lot of
good.
things off camera.
That's true. I say things constantly, just in
Yeah.
general. Yeah. But no, Pride Month good. But I have to play the bit, play the straight man, if you will. Get it? Get it?
Don't
Get
Thank
it?
you. Thank you for saying
Get it?
Thank you for saying it.
Don't do that again.
I had to. It was gonna happen at some point.
Yeah.
Woo!
Yippee! Some random person. I don't know why I
Oh,
pulled
I
this out
kinda-
like I was gonna read this. No! Stop!
One
I
sec,
don't
before
like your
those,
questions.
just-
Some random person 412. I don't like your questions. I am no longer answering them. This is the last one I'm looking at. Okay? Give me a
Final.
real
I don't
question.
want to talk about
Shut
this
up,
a
man.
bit.
No, stop.
I want to kill this person real
well-
quick. Just so you know, Mustplay, you're dead. Actually, you died just now. So cool, we're good. Okay, next.
What did I say?
They called me gay because I'm a robot.
What, how does that work?
I don't know.
Sure.
Hey, no, you're straight because you're made of straight lines. Wait,
I have literally no curves on me.
All drones are gay.
Not true.
laughing.
Minecraft B is trans.
I'm kind of. This wasn't a question, but I'm kind of interested in this problem and
Okay.
your guys' thoughts.
Yes, I have many thoughts on that.
So, fuck everyone else who used the proper formatting. But I kind of want to address this a little
There's
bit.
one question that's waiting. Like we're good.
Oh yeah. I already forced all my friends to try Rezo, but I can't make them to stay. Oh
That's
gosh,
the
it's
big-
happening again. This was happening last week where they write it weird.
That's the big problem. That is the big problem.
Yeah.
We can get people in here, but then they go away. I feel like I know why, but like I've talked about it already. And that's what my server
Why
is
do
for.
you think?
Because workshop, because we have so much cool stuff and there's no way to find it. The world browser is not a browser, it's a world storage system that you have to like know what you're looking for. Like there's no browsing, and items are only shared by being directly handed from somebody. There isn't a feed, there isn't a workshop, there aren't creator pages. These are the things that I want the workshop to do that I think will hugely, if not solve this problem, then mitigate to a point where it's basically fine. Because right now what happens is a new user sees Resonite through some means. A friend shows them a video, or they find a stream, they find a post, etc. They get in here, and then what happens? They go through the tutorial, they get put into like their cloud home or something, and then that's it, and then there's nothing. There's no like, and here are some cool items that are attention grabby, and here are some cool worlds you could try hosting. There are like active sessions in the worlds tab if you kind of like read through all of the sidebar and check on that one and look at where people might be and stuff. And like, really, that's it. Resonite feels empty if you're new. And it really, Resonite is not empty. It's just, we got to show people the stuff. So that's what the workshop, I think, is going to solve.
Is a big one.
It's it's hard to more and more say to anybody, well, I'll keep this up because I want to hear your thoughts too, Decoy, but just say, you can do anything. And a lot of people just freak out. It's like, I wouldn't do anything. What do I do then?
Yeah, you need prompts. You need starting jumping off points. You need stuff to play with first.
Yeah. So if you can point to people, and that's why a part of this I'm wondering is like, will we do featured? Will we not do featured? I think we should do featured because featured like acts as a way for people to go like, oh, other people are looking at this. It's like some kind of level of I don't want to say goodness associated with the content, but people have like, I don't know,
but you want to find stuff of quality.
Continuously enjoying it.
Yeah, no, items that get spawned out a lot should bump up in whatever feed. Worlds that are visited a lot should bump up in the feed. Stuff that has been spawned out recently, like with a high curve of, wow, suddenly it's getting spawned out a lot, should be right at the front, right? If you see a video that shows a cool item, when you join Resonite, you should see that item immediately right in front of you because people have recently been spawning it out a lot.
Decoy, what's the problem? Fix all of our problems with this in 2 sentences, or as long as you want.
Not enough bird, add more bird. Problem solved.
That could do it.
I don't know. For me personally, like, it is the discoverability of things, and it's also the fact of like, people need a reason to get in here. Virtuality in general is like the entire act of intentionality, right? You are putting on your headset or you're turning on your computer, you're doing all this stuff to go do a thing. There's lots of intentionality to it. So not a lot of people are going to want to like put on their headset and get all this stuff on, put on my silly little trackers and be a bird if I don't have any intentionality of what I'm going to do in Resonite. Like, you got to give people a thing to do, right? You have to be the reason people want to get into Resonite. You have to find the reason why people want to get into Resonite. And I mean, kind of, technically, okay, that's our job. But you can help us, right? You can be like, hey, look at this cool thing I made in Resonite. You want to come join me? Or hey, we're going to watch a movie in Resonite. You want to come join me? You can't like throw people in here and expect them to find their own fun, because the first thing Resonite asks you to do is like, you want to make a new world? Here's a grid world. Build it yourself, right? And if there's no idea of what they want to do in here, they don't know what they want, and they're gonna be like, okay, well, I don't feel like building because I don't know what I want to build, so I'm leaving. Give them good reasons to come here and stay here. Give them good reasons to build stuff with you or just hang out in general. A lot of the time it's literally just me. I'll open my public session and then people will join me because they're like, hey, I don't know what I'm doing and I want to see what you're doing. And then I figure out they actually did want to do something, but they didn't know how to do it, and they're like, I'm very confused. So I think the reason why people don't want to stay here is because they don't have any reason to stay here. So you need to give them a reason to stay here. I'm making it your responsibility. Thank you. Yeah, what Bappler said. See, we got all the Linux people in here. There's a reason people are getting here now. That's what I'm saying. That's literally what I'm saying, though.
Better ways to find the...
There's definitely an overlap. Yeah, there's an overlap between Linux users and the amount of
what you're telling me there's an overlap between Linux users, furries, LGBTQ plus, Resonite, VR. Like, what are you talking about?
I see how it works. This is
Montana Analytics. If you come to Resonite, you can have the Steam machine.
That's a Decoy promise, not a Resonite promise. Decoy personally will handle that, not Resonite.
It's getting away. You gotta go get it.
You do have to go quick because
make your account. Make your account. It's leaving. It's going. It's gone. It's gone. You missed it. Sorry. Can't promise you anything now.
You already.
If you were here,
You could have come got
add
it.
Steam Machine. I'm just.
And if we had a workshop, you could search Steam Machine and find it. I want the workshop so bad. There's other stuff that has to happen first. I know what Frooks has said, like, you know, IK is happening now. That's great. That is also necessary. Collections after, also necessary. I really want workshop after. I'm really buzzing for that. That's, from a marketing perspective, that is the most immediate next thing. That what is making our jobs most difficult is telling people, come get in Resonite, we have all this cool stuff, and then we can't give any of it to you unless it's like being personally handed over.
Jan tells us, have you made an account yet? And if not, why? Why are you sitting there?
Call
You can
him
It's
out.
not
Promo
why
code marketing26 and
use
get
marketing 26.
is it 3 months for 100? How many days? What's the thing
Okay,
again?
the
90
elephant
days.
had
3
the
months.
Steam Machine, I
3
guess.
months, 90 days.
The elephant's dragging it around. But Tom Tam.
Wanderer tier. How many? Oh, wait, no, it's the gigabytes. How many gigabytes are you going to send on?
5 gigs for 90 days
5
and your
gigs.
name on the thank you page or whatever. Hey, Tavo's here. Hi.
Hi, Tavo.
Tom Tam wants to join into the Pew Pew. Doesn't have laser blasters, so I'm not sure what the plan is. You can put something together. You better put something together. If you want to join in the Pew Pew, you need to have like Pew Pew available. All right, what's your deal? It's like saying, can I come play the Nerf war? I don't have a Nerf gun though. Get Pew
Pride
Pew.
Breath. Bring
Get
your own Pride Wrath.
Pew Pew. Bring Pride Wrath. Bring Pride Wrath.
Huh. Do you still need it to launch the game to make an account, or can you do it on the website now? Can you do it on the website now? I think you can. Can't you do it on the website now?
Think so?
Mr.
I've
Chroma?
not
Mr.
done it.
Chroma?
I think
Sorry.
the part of the website where you make accounts tells you to
It's
launch
not
Resonite.
the part of the website I touch, so I can't tell you for sure.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. No, I'm pretty sure you gotta launch Resonite. Which, I
Yeah.
mean, you, like, if you're gonna make an account, I assume you're gonna launch Resonite, so I don't think that's a... You know what I mean?
I mean, more options
wait,
are
It
nice.
would be nice.
haven't-
It would be nice.
It's throwing
but-
errors?
Yeah, okay.
Oh, that's not good.
Someone hit it this morning. What? Hit what? What?
Is it the registration like is having issues?
Ooh. It's worth looking
Yeah.
into. Error message.
Oh yeah, that's been
Tavo
happening.
wants to know. Oh, I think if I offer rentals for my, sure, sometimes, yeah, if you can. He's decoy. Can you help me out here?
Oh yeah, I got you.
Oh,
Careful
sorry, I was
with that.
distracted by this.
Rental.
It's
Be
that's
kind, rewind.
Pew
it
pew.
costs you $12,000 to fire that gun for 12 seconds. Boy, that thing is. Wait,
Special.
can I LiDAR with this? Hold on, give me.
Yeah, have fun with.
This sucks. Actually,
Okay.
I'm done.
Well, I will forward the website issue to the appropriate persons.
Yeah. No,
Wants to
that's
take a
pretty
sip of water.
important to be functioning.
Yeah, I
There
think we
goes the
need
steam
that.
machine.
Actually, gonna check real quick, see if that's.
Hi, Steam Machine.
If anyone's in chat, confirm it is the registration. That's okay. The account creation on the website is available, but doesn't work. Oh.
That's a bit stink.
Hmm.
That's
Well, we will
Yeah.
message someone immediately about that.
Did you see it?
I'll leave it up to
I'm
you.
gonna.
More questions.
ping
More
to
questions,
right
guys.
now.
We still got
Yeah,
like
more
almost half an hour
questions.
left. More
I got
questions.
20 minutes. I got 20 minutes left.
More intelligent, fun, and cool questions, please. You can do stupid also, but like I would like
Marking this is complete. I'm not reading that.
yeah, fair. Something. I should ask a question. What is your favorite color? And if it's not orange, why do you enjoy being wrong?
Because
That's my question.
That's my answer. I'm
Right,
purple.
understandable. I know of few purple individuals who have basically the same answer.
I know a few purple individuals myself.
Some of my best friends are purple.
Well, here's a real question that I can absolutely answer.
Yeah.
Does Resonite have a built-in chat box, i.e. like VRChat's chat box? I'm not great at expressing long thoughts verbally. Yes. It is not official per se because Resonite is not necessarily built on standard, it's built on modularity. And just like that, there is a helper tool to use a chat box type feature in here. It's actually made by one of the community members. It's not made by Resonite. However, it is in your inventory by default. It's under hi. Look out!
Look out! You're good. You're good. You're good. Chroma's going for a ride on the sea machine. Here, I'll take his spot.
Ooh.
Can you see this? I don't know where it is.
It's in the Resonite Essentials. Resonite Essentials accessibility, and you can see it there. It's called Mute Helper. Once again, this is not an official like chat box. This is something that our community made, and we've put in the Resonite Essentials for everybody because we don't have a standard way of doing just like a chat box. We don't want to make a standard way of doing a chat box because then everyone is stuck doing the standard way of chat box, right? We want people to be expressive. That's why you can literally change everything in here, your nameplate, your badges. You can literally change your keyboard if you want to, and that includes the Mute Helper, which is just a chat box.
Functionally.
And if you want... Go ahead.
I was just going to summarize what you said basically, so I'm useless.
Oh, okay. What was I saying? I forgot.
Oh, okay. I'll summarize that.
I lost it.
So we don't want to. There aren't specific components for making a chat box. There are enough components that you can make a chat box, and then somebody did, and then we've gone. That's a really good one. So it's in the official folder, and we're like, yeah, we like that. If you want one that is default, use that one. But it is built out of the stuff in here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Do we want to move to the penguins? There's so much to see
penguins
in the zoo.
Let's move to the penguins. There's so much to see, so much to do, so much to see. Penguin.
Where's the penguins?
Follow.
Where?
I don't
Penguins
know.
are that way.
Snow.
There.
Oh, over there at the snow area. Let's go. Penguins!
I'm gonna
Penguins!
attempt to stay on camera.
Yay!
Whoa, penguins!
Yay!
Whoa!
Penguin. You're gonna see other birds. Decoy.
Hi! We're going. Hi! Oh my! What are they doing? Why are they standing like that? Is that
Why
natural?
are they in a cult?
This is how penguins stand. They are close with each other frequently. What do you mean? Is this not what you expected?
PETA. The penguins are just... Yeah, they're just...
They just kind of stand there.
We're just... Okay, well... It's snowy now, and we're at the penguins.
I'm a penguin.
I'm not dressed for this.
No.
We got more birds.
Here, I'll go here.
You grab them.
I don't think so.
Why would you grab them?
I don't know. Penguins are fine. They're not endangered or anything, right? I don't know. What's the status of penguins, Morgan Freeman?
They're okay. Look, it's a rusty penguin. There we go.
Oh my goodness.
He's in there.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, here's a
I don't
question.
know. One of these penguins giving off a different vibe.
Can you chat/call with your cool friends that are in other worlds? I kind of. We do have messaging. If someone's your contact, you can message them, and messaging includes sending a text message, sending a voice message, and also even sending items. So let's say your friend is in some super secret session that you can't get access to for some reason, and you're like, hey, I need you to check this thing for me, or hey, I made this thing. You can send it in a message, right? You can literally send that item as a message, and then they can spawn it out in that session. Not because they dislike you, just because they're busy, you know, and they're like, oh, cool, there's this thing you made. And then they can send you things back. So that's a way that you can basically interact with people, even if you're not in the same session as them.
Yeah, and you already said voice messages?
Voice messages. Yes, voice messages.
Yeah. Voice messages, sending stuff to people. And world hopping is such an immediate thing, too, that it kind of, you don't really need it. You don't really need inter-world communication at this point, I think, because... You can just jump over and tab back.
You can be in multiple worlds at once, too. You don't have to choose.
That's something that people don't often understand.
You don't have to log in.
worlds are like browser tabs here. So I'm in this. I'm also in my little floating cloud rock at home, and I can just tab back and forth.
Yes. Moss Supply says, I still have access to the hackerspace printers. Do you have a good marketing PDF I can print and put up on all the light poles?
Wait, you're part of that hackerspace? That's kind of funny. I was looking at getting something there. Actually, question to Boss Supply: how much per month is access to that hackerspace? Because I've been thinking about doing the same.
That would be a lot.
I'll wait for a response, but yeah, I'm curious about doing it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, you have to wait on that Moss Supply. It might be collapsing. That's not an answer. How many dollars is that? What's the USD on that collapsing?
Insurance payout.
The unemployed rate? Wait, is that a thing? Like the unemployed? What?
Can me and my closest friends be unemployed?
Always.
Oh, trackers do not like me saying
It's
right
income-based fees. Oh, okay, well, I mean, that's fair, at least. Here's a question by Ilustrador de Sojos. I think that's how you say that in your name. If it's not, I apologize. I will mess it up again. You can kill me later. Do you guys have any idea when Resonite will bring a big event like Reality or anything like it? So we want to do big events a lot, all the time, and it requires people. It's hard to get a lot of people on one project at the same time for a single thing. We are working on a summer event right now, actually. So that's one thing that hopefully we'll have a lot of people for. For things like this, Virality, right? FurCons, events, things like that. Unfortunately, a lot of the VR space right now is VR chat centric, which is not the issue. The issue is that everyone's workflow is VR chat centric. So we've done, musical events in the past here, and everyone comes here from a VR chat background, and they know how to do things the VR chat way, which we can adapt to. It's not really conductive to showing off Resonite though, right? Because a lot of VR chat is video players. Every DJ event, every music event, a lot of the shaders, they're based on video players. And I can spawn a video player out whenever I want. It's not a big deal in Resonite. It's not, it doesn't have that wow factor. So
yeah. It's like, oh, cool, I'm just watching a screen. I do that.
Yeah.
Every time someone spawns out a meme or is like, hey, check out this neat thing, or whatever, you just paste it in.
So it's just hard getting a lot of people to work on a project that have a Resonite background, basically. We'd love to do it though. If you want to help, or if you know people who are super into Resonite, let us know. We built things in the past. We'd love to build more things in the future. I don't know how long it takes for us to get Virality level event, but that'd be awesome. Yay!
Yeah, it's and remembering that Virality, while they do have some collaboration with VRC, they are pretty much their own entity. So it really is just user dependent there. So if you want something like that, you have to kind of be the force to make it happen, really.
It's a small field.
Be the change you want to see.
So yeah, kind of be the change you want to see is the bit, right? That's what we're doing. That's what. If you want to see it too, you can tell us like you're doing now. But also
hackers are having fun.
There's 3 of us here right now, and the whole team is what, 22? The whole wedding list team is 22, not even, and basically nobody full time. So we're doing our best.
Yep, we got a lot to do.
So
it's not a lot of people. It's okay. No, you can spin one more time. You're allowed.
Yeah. No, go ahead.
I'm working on one base station at the moment.
What's next?
Navy asked, this isn't a marketing question, I can answer it anyways.
Yeah.
When sending items via messaging, whose storage is it using? It is the person who is sending the message that uses your storage.
If I'm going to try and throw 5 gigs at Decoy, it's going to use 5 gigs from me.
Yeah. You can't zip bomb somebody in here.
Unless you send them an item that is an actual zip bomb that when they spawn it out and open it, it blows them up.
I mean, I had to
because I think that there are multiple zip bomb items, but file size wise,
you get the message, Decoy, check out this funny item, and it's just a box, and I spawn the box out, and then my session, it literally explodes.
Never touch a default cube from a source you don't trust.
You don't know what's in there.
Could be anything.
Do y'all want to do a picture real quick so I can put it on a poster on a light pole?
Yes.
Just
Yeah.
like from top down, we'll just like look up and then I'll put a Resonite logo on it. No context.
Absolutely.
Gonna
Tom,
grab-
you can clear chat history with, I forget how, I think it's a bot command.
It is a bot
So,
command.
yeah. So there's a bot command to clear chat history, and then, yes, that will free up that storage again.
Come to Linux to me, we will hand you Linux ISOs. That's scary. That's spooky. I don't want that. Don't do that to
Okay,
me.
get close for picture.
But I can't see the image. Wait, where's the see video? It doesn't show me anything. Chroma is not showing me anything. Chroma, I don't see anything. Chroma.
Render preview
Chroma
for
is
everyone.
not
Render
working.
preview for
Chroma.
everyone. Render preview for anyone.
Chroma, I don't see it. Chroma. Oh, I see it. Hey, hi.
Let me turn the penguin.
Why
So
is
he's chasing me.
the Zoom not doing anything?
Wait, someone give us a message. I can hold up the message. You can be in the thing
I'll do
too.
it this way.
Yeah. If it's funny,
That's
Do it this
guy.
way.
you have to be funny. We're gonna
You have
wait
to
30
be
seconds,
funny.
and the funniest person gets to have their message being held by decoy.
It has to be silly. There's oh, yeah, this one's good. Thank you, show.
But is it the funniest within the next 30 seconds?
How long has it been?
It's not 30, not quite. Okay, that's alright. That's alright. These are good. These are. Nah, Bepplers is good. I'm gonna extend it a little bit. We got until 12:52, which is 10 seconds from now. 8, 7.
You got 10 seconds to be funny.
6, 5, 4, 3.
Okay, Moss Supply is pretty good.
2.
Yeah, no, this is relevant. I'm gonna use mouse supplies.
Okay.
This one can be a. This one can
This
be a
is very-
subtitle.
Here, wait. A little closer. Closer, camera.
I put
Or
this
can I
down
zoom
here. I'll
in?
make it
I'll
see
zoom
that
in.
the
There we
penguin's
go.
kind of
Yeah.
saying it. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I'm just leaving room up top for the logo.
Yeah.
I should take a picture. I have the
Yeah.
camera.
Hit the button.
That's your camera,
Come on,
bro.
all of you take a picture. What are you doing? Photo timer. Oh, I'm gonna do a slightly
Yeah.
because I'm OCD.
You guys don't mind, right? Let me take a picture. You guys don't mind, right? Give us a sec.
It'll be funny because hold on. Let me take this, save, and put it and do and like, hey, wow, look, here's the picture we're taking. This is gonna be on somewhere. Who knows?
You'll see this in your nearest hackerspace.
Oh, might start
This
as a
is
sticker
us doing
and then
our
I'll
job
get it.
live
Yeah.
on stream.
Right.
There we go.
Hilarious. Yeah, that was.
Yay!
I'll throw it on the thing.
Give me.
Check your nearest local hackerspace for these posters.
Yep.
You
Throw it
can
on every
Awesome.
light pole in the city.
you can pour those in milk and throw them all over the walls as much as
I
you
don't know
want.
about that one, but do what you got to do. Let me get my party core back. Whoop.
Okay, back to questions. Thank you for waiting.
Yeah.
That's awesome. We should do more marketing live, I think.
well,
we should
just-
start okay, here's the thing. We do the marketing meeting before this stream, and so I think what we should do is just, instead of 2 hours in the morning, just make it 1 hour, and we'll just do the meeting for the first part of this, and then...
Our meeting should just be the stream.
Yeah,
We could
I think
streamline
so.
this. Literally
Right?
streamline
Yeah.
this.
You know what's crazy? I was talking about this slightly this morning, just on socials
Penguins
for
can
myself, but I was just out this weekend and I heard multiple people like mention virality and like just talking about what they're doing in VR, and that's just like
Yeah.
out in the wild. And oh gosh, it's
Isn't
so
it
silly.
weird how real people are real and exist somewhere?
Yeah, but like around
That's
here,
messed up. They should fix that. I don't like that.
Yeah,
It's a weird bug. It's sort of, you can exploit it in some cases, but like, what do you... Oh,
So-
I just wanted
Hey,
him to
good for that
spin.
guy.
That's all. I just
Yeah.
wanted him to spin.
nice
That's
work,
it.
man.
how come this office hour is early compared to the others? It's early.
It's earlier in the day.
Oh,
Ours
that'd be
is-
compared to the rest of the
Yeah,
other
yeah,
people's.
we
because
have
who
the
wants to-
earliest.
The worst time to schedule something is like 1 p.m. if you have basically nothing else in the day, right? Because then you
Yeah.
can't really do stuff for the morning, and then it also eats into the afternoon. Like, this is just
I
better.
think I have like the most normal work schedule of like anyone on the team. Like I'm going like
I'll fight
9
that
to, like,
'cause for me,
5. I'm pretty much
normal
9 to
work
5.
schedule. Yeah. I guess you know what? I probably do more in the evenings than you do. You're right. Because that's when a
Yeah.
lot of people are on to get
I'm
like
like,
footage.
I really don't do evenings unless it's like important thing I have to
Yeah.
be around for.
Fair. I was only gonna argue because like for my other job, it's a pretty normal schedule, but
Living the Dolly Parton life. 9 to 5.
You guys are
and then we
so
get a
funny,
copyright
like-
struck.
sorry,
What? It's
sorry,
like,
you're
what? It's normal time, right?
So Colza, the reason why we do these earlier than everyone else is because I live
it's
in
22
Europe.
o'clock for this dingus.
I have to work late. I don't get a choice. They're talking about like,
Yeah.
oh, I could work a little bit early. I don't have a choice.
Dude,
I'm on
it's
everyone
1
else's
PM right
schedule,
now.
and this is the best time slot I can get. Otherwise, I'm working past midnight, and
Yeah.
I got other things to do. Like I have another job, so I'm glad it's this early technically for me. Even though it's like what, almost 22, I'll take it. It's the earliest I can get with these guys.
Well, and like I wake up, have breakfast, we do the marketing meeting, we do the stream. I get 2 hour break. I do my stream, and then I'm done my work day by 6 p.m. my time. So because it's basically it's pretty great, right? It's awesome. I love Mondays.
so
It's my
cool,
favorite
man.
of the week.
It's
It's
so-
the best.
it's good for
I
you.
wake up at 10 p.m. or p.m. God no. I wake up at 10 a.m. and we've got our marketing meeting at 11. I woke up at 10:30 today. I had breakfast in half an hour. It was great. And then we do our marketing meeting from 11 to 11:08. And then we do the
Sometimes
marketing
it's
stream
longer.
from. Sometimes it's longer. Today it was like 20 minutes. Anyway, the short answer is because we have other stuff going on in our lives, and so this is a good time slot for us.
9 to 5.
It's the best.
I did a 9 to 5 yesterday.
It's the best time we got. Here's something I just realized: Resonite could be cracked at quickly modeling out
What?
arbitrary world. Hold on, let me finish the question. Let me finish the question.
Yeah.
I assume Resonite has the tools for maybe not modeling properly, but blocking out shapes of rooms and such. Resonite, absolutely.
Yeah, 100%.
We actually have a tool for it. It's called the shape tool. It makes
I got it right here.
shapes. You
Shape.
okay? You beat me to it.
Yeah, of course I beat you to it. It's built in. Shape.
Whatever.
Shape. I'm gonna look. Here's a floor.
You get a robot to
Here's
build
a-
shapes for you.
Yeah, you just gotta pay me. Here's a wall. Here's another wall. Here's another wall. And then I'll do this and I'll glue it. And hey, look, I made a room. Look, wow, epic.
Yep. And with the dev tool, you can literally open up and you can be like, I want to new any of these. So if you've kind of seen what Unity does as like new game object thing, you can do it in here too. So it's very easy, super easy to prototype in here.
Yes.
I mean, the cooler part is that you can take all these primitives and all your drawings and stuff like that and export them out as a mesh and then bring them into, Blender or whatever, and then use that as a basically a reference point and then build around that, which is what I do sometimes. Like I'll kind of like draw something in here, I'll export that mesh into Blender, and then I'll actually model it around that, and then I
I've
can
done
bring
that so many
that back
times.
in.
I have a actually perfect example that you say that. I have a sketches folder. So if let me get up close to the thing here. My tool. Where's my? Here's my light tool. It's like a little flashlight thing. What I did is I just 3D sketched that, like this. There, and that turned into.
I don't think
the
that's in
thing.
camera.
What?
It's in camera.
I mean,
no, it's in the middle of the
yeah.
camera.
Yeah.
Wait, really?
Okay,
Yeah.
good. As long as I'm
Oh, I'm
remembering.
not seeing it right.
But
I'm
yeah,
gonna spin
3D
the
sketch
penguin
good.
faster until you realize.
I've done that for more complicated stuff, but you guys have seen Rust E. I did that for that. This is years ago. Like, 3D sketching is great.
Oh, I saw that movie,
Where am I-
Wall-E, right?
Where am
Dude.
I in the camera right now? Am I
That's
not
what we
like
all do.
middle right?
No, you're well,
left?
yeah-ish. But like, I don't know. Here, let me.
What?
You're there.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. I don't know.
Okay. Well, I guess
Whatever.
you're just weird and broken or something, like normal. Yeah.
Mossy, do have my permission to hang that around, by the way. I'll throw it in screenshots after this.
Dude.
These are good. This makes me happy. I like this.
I think it's going to be
That
really
goes hard,
funny.
actually.
I'll post it to socials when you get it hung up.
We could have him spin on another axis too. Why not?
Whoa.
Oh my goodness. Hey, he's fine.
Woo!
He'll make it up.
That's pretty great.
But can you make him wiggle and spin?
The wiggle spin combo? I mean, yeah, I guess
Yeah.
it's sure
Ooh.
wiggler.
I mean,
Transform interaction.
Well, you're gonna want a wobbler because
A wheel and a
if you
wobble
wiggle it,
and a
it's already
spin?
driving the rotation, and if you wiggle the offset,
yeah,
it's
wait.
just gonna.
Is Wiggler not position? Is it rotation?
No, you want wobbler 3D.
Okay, wobbler then. All right, we're gonna wobble.
You, Mr. Penguin, you look like you've been judging us this entire stream, and I've not been appreciating it.
Chroma, you
Mr.
look like you've been
Penguin.
judging that penguin.
Is it supposed to be that big?
Decoy.
I think I wobbled the scale of it. I think
Well,
I'm not supposed to do
here,
that.
No, I got it.
Okay.
Matt, let's set the magnitude to point zero zero
You
one.
can fix them. You can fix them.
There.
Oh,
And
this
then-
world is the zoo by Gearbell, by the way.
Oh,
Someone did
from
ask.
WWF.
What?
Look,
Oh.
we're not harming animals. They're having fun. They're having
he's so
it's
joyous.
a blast. Yeah. Look at that smile on that dude.
I don't know about smile, but he's definitely got something happening. It's hard to tell that the wobbling is going on.
He's spinning for an amazing reason.
Whoops.
Are
What
you
reason?
okay? What?
What?
Because there's a penguin.
Oh,
Look at him go.
Wobbling the scale is the only correct. Oh, there we go. Yeah, see?
Yeah.
We fixed them.
Wobbling the scale is a good use. However, I will note wobbler on Bitbot to have him like float around and look all cute like that. So pretty good.
I
This
guess I
is
meant like the
marketing.
rigged thing, but
This is
Oh
thank
yeah,
you.
we should. Well, these penguins are already rigged, so.
Marketing.
Oh,
Look,
yeah.
we're
Hi,
doing
welcome
it.
to marketing.
Hi.
My name is
Hello.
RustyBot. Hi there, my name is RustyBot. Hi there,
marketing 26,
this name is
marketing
Decoy.
26, marketing
Hi there,
26.
this is Chroma. Use promo code marketing26.
Huh?
Sorry, pal. I bumped him.
Sorry about that.
I like that. Hold on. Can this be our tagline like forever?
I'm saying,
Look, Resonite just
Chroma,
let you do this for some reason.
fuck around awesome style.
This is the family-friendly version of that. I
Oh,
think.
I mean, I guess. I still
Wait,
want the
what?
I want the tagline to resonate. To still, someone said Resonite is like
Oh.
fucking around awesome style, and I want that to be our
Yeah.
tagline.
That's what the meeting was this morning. Like, can we just do that more?
Yeah.
Can we just
basically.
fuck around awesome?
Can we just-
Actually, yeah.
I- do something
That's what
silly
gets good
on TikTok.
responses. Like, yeah. And hey, if you want to see some awesome style, check out my stream this afternoon. I'm gonna be
Oh,
on
this is
Twitch
a
on Resty
mesh.
Manufacturing.
Yeah, this
If
guy
any of
goes
y'all
live in 2
making-
hours.
Yippee wahoo! Yippee wahoo!
If any of y'all are making TikTok content, tag the Resonate official channel so we can
Yes.
repost it and
Yes.
be more active. And yeah, TikTok is doing a lot of activations these days. I would have thought you were crazy a year ago, but
do you
numbers
know?
are saying different.
Sorry.
Can we show this? Is this allowed? Is this like a copyright thing? It's
It's
fine.
a guy.
It's like, yeah, it's just a guy.
like, there's no logo, there's no sound, or like audio track or anything. There's
This is his name is teacher apartment.
Yes. I want to answer. There we go. Rusty, will you talk about swappable limb stuff this time? Was I supposed to last time and I forgot? I'm sorry.
Wait, what?
Yes. Make sure to ask me during the stream. That's my bad.
Wait, what are we
It's gonna
supposed
be
to
a
talk
hangout
about?
stream.
Go to
no, this
Rusty's
is
stream.
me on my stream. On my stream, I'll talk about how this stuff works so that you guys can like. I don't know. It's cool.
I'm not good at making
So-
bones like Frooks is. This is hard.
So Decoy, last week you invited me on stream to talk about sucking on flags. What are you doing this week on your stream?
Excuse you?
Hey, it's Pride Month,
That
and he
doesn't-
said it.
You know, I
There's
just
a clip on Blue Sky.
You don't need
can-
any more
I
context.
should just I'll just let you folks do whatever it is you do this month, and I'll deal with it.
So the short answer is I don't know what I do on stream. I never know what I do on stream. Things just happen around me. I stream Ferality. When I mean I stream Ferality, I meant I built an OSC controller for VR chat and controlled VR chat from Resonite and played VR chat inside Resonite. So I went to Ferality from Resonite, and it was a lot of fun. So if you want to join my stream, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but I'm having fun, and I hope you join and have fun too.
Yeah.
Yay!
Whoa.
Okay, bye, Karma.
You have to do that again.
Oh
I
my
can't
god,
catch
big
it.
bone, big bone. Why is this bone so big?
Just
Destroy
hold-
bone?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh, man. Oh, my goodness.
Woohoo, Resonite!
We.
Yay, Resonite.
Chroma.
Yay, Resonite.
Yay, Resonite.
Yeah. I don't have climb everything.
How does this work again? I haven't used this in like a week. Create new rig.
Yeah.
Is it no set up fabric IK solver, right? And
You
then
have to put the mesh in manually, I think.
We're gonna
yeah,
do
you
it.
do. But how do I get the thing in there? How do I get the mesh? Is it in here?
We will showcase the Wiggler Wobbler.
Yes.
If I remember how bone.
Decoy, is this accurate?
Bone?
Decoy spends the
What?
first half saying hello to everyone individually, and then spends the second half saying goodbye to everyone individually. It's a good streak.
I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it.
It's awesome. I
Actually,
say hi to names I recognize in my streams, and I really do appreciate everybody who watches, but, like, there's just too many people. I'm sorry. I would love to greet everybody individually, but yeah, it would take the whole time.
Rig.
And I got work to do.
Rig. I found rig. How do I put the thing in here? I forgot. I completely forgot.
I haven't actually used it myself yet. I have just watched people do it.
I've used it a few times, and I completely forgot. I don't know what I'm doing anymore.
See,
Well,
this
I
is a
already got
marketing
something
stream.
This is an interesting point that Moss Supply is correct about. Hey! You don't really realize how close everyone has to stand until you're there. When you're on camera FOV, very small. Decoy's right here. How often do you actually stand within arm's reach of someone in VR? Right? Like, this is... My foot's going through this penguin right now. Cramped feels negative, but, like, it's cramped.
That is the most uncomfortable hurdle I had to get over with these streams. It's like, oh, I gotta be close to you guys.
Yeah, being on camera, yeah, you have to get...
That's why when I'm taking group pictures, I'm always like, okay, act like you like each other, because the tendency in VR is to stand like here, right? And this is now more comfortable. I've got however long this is, like 2 meters between Decoy and I, but on camera this sucks. I gotta be here for the framing to look nice. I think it's really interesting how that works.
Just got penguin jump scared. I didn't know he gets that big.
Quick one. What is that world? So this is another thing I want the workshop for, because you could just search like animal or something and find it. This is Gearbell's Zoo. Just search zoo. It's the one by Gearbell. It's great. Gearbell did really good work on this. It was a like month-long project or something, like barely, and it's amazing. She's great.
I love this. I seen the one clip that was just 8 bajillion rats in response to if Resonite fixed a lag. That's about my understanding. Yeah, and we did fix it, as you saw in the clip.
Yeah.
Exactly. I mean, rats is only one of the animals that shows up. We've got a few other things. I made a...
Chroma got penguin.
Chroma.
Keep talking.
I made a redeem. Oh my goodness! I made a redeem that just slightly tilts the camera, and everyone gets so mad when someone uses it. They're like, "You tilted the damn camera. Why?"
Funny.
But it's funny because you did that, and I watched you struggle because it doesn't affect me at all. I don't care. You're the one who spun the camera. And then eventually it keeps going until we get to Australia, and then they get real mad.
That's what I love about the stream interactions you can do in here. Is a lot of it ends up being, okay, chat, that's your problem. Like, I'm fine. I'm gonna just keep working. I'm gonna keep playing my board game with my friends. You guys figure out how to fix the thing you did.
You love the tilting VOD camera? Sorry to hear that. I hope you get better. But here's a question for you. You can answer this, and then we can go.
Oh my goodness.
Well, I did answer this. Yes, I will talk about swappable limb stuff. And then Moss Supply said that you didn't want to interrupt me while I was working on the swarm. Thank you. I was probably handling a lot in my brain, but yes, this time I definitely go ahead and ask. We're going to be playing games and stuff. It's going to be a hangout stream. You're going to get to see me and my friends play board games, and we're going to chat with you guys and hang out, and it'll be fun.
How does this work? I forgot.
Yeah, me too.
Club.
I'll figure it out later. All right.
15 seconds, and then it's 110. And then we kill them.
You're next.
Is this Club Penguin? You know what? It might just be.
I think this is what the game was about, right? I didn't play it. I just
yes, shut down.
assume.
Yeah,
for,
it did
for
years
legal
ago.
reasons, this is not officially Club Penguin. Don't want to mess with that. Is it Disney? It was a
It's
Disney,
Disney.
property,
We
right?
don't want to mess with Disney.
This is not Club Penguin.
No.
Wait till the trademark runs out in 100 years, and then we can start making fun of it. It's okay.
Yeah.
Then they're gonna make a Club Penguin movie. Oh, that's gonna come out in the next 10 years. I'm calling
It'll
it.
happen.
I'm
It'll
sorry.
happen.
Oh boy. Sorry.
I'm not
I want
against
to
this
poke
idea.
at this point. I actually genuinely started watching Doug a little bit, like for research, recently because I want my streams to feel like that because it's just the interactivity. The interactivity is so important to me. I want to make it feel like not like you're just watching a thing happen, but like you're playing a game I'm running. You know.
Who's this? Doug?
Doug, he does like live coding and like
He does some silly things on stream.
Yeah, writes like little
That's good
bots
stuff.
and things so that there's a snake in the chat and it'll hiss at you and if you say another thing it'll bite you and you're muted for an hour or something or like chat gets control of this or that thing in this and I have to like it's cool stuff. It's very very interactive. I love it. I want to emulate that.
Bone.
Resonate
Rig,
can do that so
bone,
easily.
Bone.
And it's just a really really neat thing.
Bone. Wait, am I supposed to set up the fabric chain? Is that what it is? I don't know. Deselect rig. I give up. I'll figure it out later. I forgot.
Figure it out for Wednesday. Have that be your teaser so that people come watch. Decoy will figure out bones on Wednesday.
Cursed
Decoy will
rig
figure out bones on
stream.
Wednesday. This Wednesday, Decoy will understand everything there is to know about
Must
bones.
never say that again in an official stream. I do not like that. Don't do that.
No.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna do this one instead. Doug does the Twitch Plays X type thing. That's what I want. I want Twitch Plays Resonite. I'm trying to come by in 2 hours on my channel on Rusty Manufacturing for Twitch Plays Resonite. We're gonna have you guys all be bitbots and I'll kill you.
I'm gonna hook up the VR chat OSC to you, and then you can control VR chat from Resonite.
Use Resonite as a
from
little
Twitch.
thing.
Yes.
Twitch
Yes.
to OSC to Resonite to VRC. Or sorry,
Let's go.
Twitch to Resonite to
no.
OSC
Deco
to
gets
VR
banned from VR chat speedrun. Let's go.
Yeah.
Rusty,
Yeah.
are you doing an open stream? I'll dress straight for it.
Yes-ish, kind of. It's a hangout stream, so it's like, closed, but for council, basically. And then, and I don't know, I mean, you can be gay if you want. It's gay month.
No,
Yeah,
I'll
no one's
dress
gonna
straight
ask
for
you
it.
to.
Okay.
No one's gonna ask you to
I'll put on a
suck
suit and
flags.
So when you say I'll dress straight for it, what I imagine is you're going to do something even more wild than this and call it your straight
Oh
gear.
no, I have. So hold on, I'll show it on. It's fine. I promise it's fine.
got your suit and tie.
No, I have something that's like slightly worse.
Oh, okay.
It's not that bad. I thought of doing. It's more just like it's not rigged correctly. and I'm too lazy to do it right.
Grab this
Oh,
penguin
you mean
with my
quality
foot.
worse?
Yeah.
Can you?
Can I?
Can
I guess
you?
not. I mean, I can
This
grab
is gonna
things
be
with my
a
foot,
Skirt. No, I see a gizmo called Skirt.
Hold on.
but- Pulling a skirt out.
I was gonna do this like if we get enough followers or viewers, I'll put this on. But
Well,
Yeah.
you ruined the surprise now.
Is this you dressing straight?
I just don't wear these.
Why? Gee, I wonder why that.
I don't know. Sure.
That's
yeah.
funny.
This is.
Come play board games and dress like that and see how my bitbots react. I think I'll have
That's good
to
board game attire.
add bitbot attacking specifically so they can kill you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, it gives me a reason to like shoot them more.
Yeah. They're going to be able to attack.
I just like
Yeah.
thought of that. It's like, yeah, you can join. We're gonna kill you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's
I'll
what I
bring
say in
snacks.
chat
I'll kill
every
you.
time. I love that I can shoot and kill my audience.
No, that's on brand. No, that's right.
Come by my stream. Rusty
Show up.
Manufacturing in 2 hours. I'll say something in
I'm
chat.
gonna eat this inspector.
Hi, it's
We keep
me,
delaying.
Orange.
Yeah, the stream is over.
Robor.
We have too much fun. Yay.
Yeah, let's go to my channel in 2 hours and then come by and we can play board games and we can talk. It'll be fun. And then we'll be
Orange
back next
inspectors.
week. Use code marketing26 when you make a new account. I've been RustyBot. This is Decoy.
You've
That's
been Rusty
Chroma.
Bot. What are you gonna be next week?
Hi,
Hopefully Rustybot still, but it's Pride Month, so you never know what's going to change.
Gasty
It's like, until next time, I'm Decoy.
And we
Wait,
come back
what do
next
you-
time
what
and you've
happens
changed your
if
name
we-
to original.
Okay. Bye. Bye. I'm pressing the button now.
Later.
Bye. Which one's the button? Oh no, this is hard. I haven't done
Lizard
this
said
until
explode,
like...
so...
Oh. Okay.